What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick clip of us enjoying that wonderful resort, which I'll just disclose. It's the Sheraton over in Kapaa. We spent 2 nights there. It was an incredible stay. As you can probably notice in the video, yeah, we pretty much had the facility for ourselves, guys. There was like barely anyone there. You know, there were some military people there, and a few tourists. Only a few. So yeah, it was a good experience. Not too many people there, but you know what? I do miss the energy. You know, I like the space, but I also like even more so the energy of our tourists. You know. And it also gives jobs to a lot of us, including myself. But yeah, guys, I do have more clips. I might insert it in future videos, but for now, I just wanted to get this out to you guys, just to show you the wonderful pool area, the beautiful beach area. Not really a swimmable beach, but a great beach to have a romantic stroll, guys, or to fly a drone, of course. And other than that, guys, make sure you hit my Shopify to pick up 30 of my hats, minimum. Just kidding, guys. But I'll check you guys out in the next video. You guys stay safe out there. And if you do own a drone, happy flying. And the DJI Mini 2 looks good. I don't know, guys. But you guys have a great day. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Like I said, like 2-3 seconds ago. Alright, guys, peace out.